Welcome back. In the earlier lecture, I talked about the various types of development environments. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick demo on how to use the Jupyter Notebook. And finally, we will be executing our first Python code. So, let's begin. Search for the Anaconda Navigator and open that up. Once you have done that, go ahead and launch the Jupyter Notebook. You will notice that your browser automatically opens up to localhost 8888 or 8889. If for some reason your browser didn't open automatically, go ahead and manually type localhost 8888 in your browser and that should work. Now keep in mind, the Jupyter Notebook does not require an internet connection. As it is not connected to any server, it is hosted locally on your laptop. It just happens to open and operate in your browser as a convenient graphical interface for your Python development. Once you launch Jupyter Notebook, you can view all the files on your computer. You can go ahead and click here where it says New. And under the Notebook section, you will see Python 3. Go ahead and click that. It will take you to another tab. And there you go. You just started a new notebook. If you go back to the previous tab, you will notice we just created untitled.ipynb file, which stands for IPython notebook file. If you want to change the file name, you can go to your notebook, click on the untitled section and change it to whatever file name you want. I'm changing it to my notebook. The notebook uses a cell-based system. I mean, you write your code in a cell, you run the cell, and then you see the output right below the cell. Let us try running the Hello World program. That's it. Click on the Run button here. Voila! You have executed your first Python program. Did you notice the Jupyter Notebook automatically completes the quotes and parentheses for you? Go ahead and type some more code. Play around with it. Instead of pressing the Run button every time, you can press Alt-Enter or Shift-Enter to run your current cell. If you want, you can look for more keyboard shortcuts in the Help section. I also mentioned the inline markdown feature, right? You can use it by switching from code to markdown section here. Now, it is no longer a code cell. Instead, it is a markdown cell. You can write some notes or comments in this cell. We will learn a lot more about notebooks and their features as we move ahead in this training. Great! See you in the next lecture. Keep learning and keep growing.